What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. First off, happy new year. Happy new year. I hope you guys are doing good so far, and everything's just going great. If you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always know whenever I upload, so you don't miss anything. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be reviewing a wig from a company called Luvme Hair. So let's get straight into it. The hair is still in the package. I got it this morning. Okay, this is nice. I love the packaging. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we got some goodies. We get a comb. We get some nice 3D lashes. A pair of earrings. We have some really nice press-on nails. These are kind of like a Christmas theme, so I can save them for Christmas. Okay, I love these. I love these. And last but not least, right, so now for the hair. Comes in a bag like this, and let's see. All right, so wow, like the first thing for me is that this hair is extremely soft, and there's absolutely no shedding. It's extremely light, and it's not too shiny. I love it already. Like, I love it, and I love the color. By the way, this is the honey brown long straight bang human hair wig. So yeah, it has a bang at the front right here, in case you guys are wondering. Construction of the cap is like this. There's not much lace, only here where the closure is, for the top of the wig, of course, so it looks extremely natural. And there's a band to secure it in the back, and there are two clips, one at the front and one at the back as well. So I think this is going to be pretty secure, and it's in a 12-inch. I think this is 12 inches. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it on for you guys and let you guys see. I'm just gonna put my stocking cap on. Okay, all right, so I look crazy now, but let me just fix things a little. Get my brush and brush it a little. Wow, I can't believe it. Like, this hair has no shedding, like absolutely no shedding. I love it. All right, so I know it looks a little crazy now, so I'm going to flat iron it and show you guys, but I'm loving it so far. Like, this is a look. Like, hello, come through here. This wig is so nice, guys. It feels so firm and sturdy on my head. Like, it's not going anywhere, but it's not too tight. It's just secured the right way. I love it, love it. But enough chatting, I'm going to flat iron it and show you guys. I'm going to put it on the highest level so it should warm up really fast. And I don't know if I already mentioned it, but the color of this hair is honey brown with black roots. Love it. Going in, and wow, love it. Let's try it on the bang. I'm just gonna go through the rest of my hair with a flat iron, and this part of the video is gonna be like sped up, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like after I've flat ironed it all the way through. So this is what the bangs look like. Let me show you guys the back. Wow. Very, very soft. Love it. Very lightweight. Doesn't feel heavy on my head. And it's still very full. I love that about it. Very nice, guys, and no shedding. Absolutely no shedding. Okay guys, so this hair is on sale for a low price, so I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Okay, and that's the end of this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.